Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.